We also have this wavelet image compression, where you can select your image from this drop down menu, select your wavelet type. AHA is default, and the number of bits. So you essentially digitize the image, becomes more granular with less bits as expected. And this is also the wavelet transform, the number of levels in it. So the less levels you have, the more it looks like the original image. But yes, so you can see what difference bits versus levels make. If you wanna something artistic, you can play around with it. For some reason these two don't make much difference, which makes me think they're actually potentially the same. Bi-orthogonal 1.3 does this kind of stuff. And at the bottom, most importantly, you see the PSNR, which is a signal to the noise ratio, a peak signal to noise ratio, which essentially tells you how well it's being reconstructed. Essentially, a value of 33 is higher. You can get to up to like 50 or so, but which tells you that the reconstructed image is very similar to the original one. So